So guys, let's try web scraping with ChatGPT first. My target websites like Amazon, Alibaba and other e-commerce websites. I am target this website like e-commerce, and this is show you how looking like it contains some books that are like cover, image of the book, title, rating and price, also few more. I want to scrap all this data in. I will ask ChatGPT with to write Python code for me. Just go to ChatGPT site and type using Python a beautiful soup. In case you did not notice, I don't mention what data I want to scrap, and we will let ChatGPT will figure it out on its own. Now ChatGPT is generating our Python code and it will be ready in few seconds. As you can see here, it's saying about some wording related to their policy. Just ignore it, and our code is created in chunks. So just type write code in one file and now it will merge all code in one place, so it would be easy for us to copy and paste. Now code is ready. Let's copy this code and paste it in our app file. Save this file and run this using command Python app. Look at this guys, we just scrapped a website successfully. Take a look at data. We got title, price for every book from our target URL. What if I want more data? Let's say I want URL like to each book. Well, it's easy. Just ask ChatGPT, say grab URL link for each book. Now it will modify our code so that we can scrap title, price and link for each book. Let's copy this new code and paste it here, save it and run this file. Boom, now we are getting title, price and URL link for each book. Let's go next level. As you can see right now, we are printing our code in console. What if we want to export all this data into some file like CSV or JSON XML file? Well, it's easy. Just ask ChatGPT export the data into CSV file and it will be modify our code. According to that, let's copy this code and paste it. Save this file and run this file. As you can see, we got nothing in our console, but now we have a book CSV file generated here. So well, this is really good, and this file contain all our data that we scrap